Okay, we're going to look at the lesson summary, which is on your problem set page, and just go over a couple things here. So what we've seen up to now, both in lesson 5 and 6, is that a rotation of 180 degrees around O, the center of rotation, is a rigid motion. And what happens is that any point P and its rotation are collinear. They lie on the same line. So we saw that happening, that P and its rotation are and the origin are all in the same line. We saw that really in the first example right here, that P, the center of rotation, and P's image lay on the same line. Okay, so we saw that. The other thing we saw was that in the coordinate system, it's really cool because any point AB, when it's rotated 100 degrees around the origin, has coordinates -A, -B when it's rotated. So the rotated point will have these coordinates. So that makes it easy to predict. And we have this theorem too. And let's look at one of our exercises. We did 8. This theorem here in our summary says that if O is a point not lying on a given line, then the 180 degree rotation around O maps L to a line parallel to L. And we saw that again and again. So here's that situation. Here's L. Here's the rotation point, the origin. It's not on L. It maps it to a line over here. Okay. We can formally prove that. And so I'm going to do that now. And you're not going to be held responsible for the proof, but I'd like you just to kind of follow my logic here. So I'm just going to sketch this proof for you. My marker here. So let's prove that theorem. So we've got a line here, call it L, and I've got a point of rotation, O, that's not on the line. Okay, so that's important. Can't be on the line. So if I pick any point, and I call it P, and I rotate it around that image, let's use my ruler here. I'll use a pencil here. So if I rotate P around, then P prime has to be up here somewhere. There's my image of P under this rotation, 180 degree rotation. P prime's going to end up over there. Okay? And so I know that P and O and P have to lay on the same line. And P is a point on L. So the only way for P prime